Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Niche Beauty Lab acnemy zitcontrol SPF 50. This product retails for $24. Funny story with this product, Niche Beauty Lab did send me this, but they sent it completely on accident. I was supposed to be receiving their adapanoid treatment to try, and they said something happened in their warehouse. They accidentally sent this to me and just told me to enjoy this product. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be reviewing this, but they did not ask me to do a full review of it. Like always, that will also not impact my review and my honesty with this product. This is their acne line. I'm very glad that this is one of the first products I'm trying from this line. You all have been asking for so long for me to try all of their formulations because Niche Beauty Lab is great at many different categories. Their Theramid collection. Very excited to be seeing what an acne treating sunscreen looks like from Niche Beauty Lab. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. From what I'm seeing, they are using more new age technology that is not necessarily available in the United States, but it's kind of like Korean formulations. I love to see that they have formulated them with more new age sunscreen filters. And they also have salicylic acid in this, which I haven't heard of in a lot of sunscreen formulations. Really excited to see how that works for my skin. The big things I'm going to be looking for include how does it perform, what finish does it leave, and also do I experience any sensitivity or anything abnormal with this sunscreen, because I haven't really tried any salicylic acid combined with sunscreen filter formulation. So with how often I use sunscreen, I just use it during the day and sometimes I reapply with it. I will see if I can also reapply with this sunscreen. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this sunscreen. I'm excited because to my knowledge, I haven't tried a lot of sunscreens with these filters in it, and also a salicylic acid sunscreen at that is supposed to leave practically no finish. It does say you get UVA, UVB, broad spectrum SPF 50 protection with this. Super excited to feel it and see what I notice. Coming out, it is a pretty fluid-like white finish, but it is pretty lightweight. I'm not sure, I haven't seen any creators with deeper skin talking about this product, but I always recommend following creators that look like you to get an accurate depiction of how it will perform on your skin tone. I feel like this would work for any skin tone, but I don't want to testify for that because I can get away with a lot more. I'm really excited to see how it performs. I mean, I love when brands use things like formulating a salicylic acid or an exfoliant with a sunscreen, because they always recommend to go in with sunscreen after using an exfoliant. So having it in an exfoliant, I would imagine, would have great acne fighting and also oil control properties. This is really lightweight. The smell is interesting. It smells like, it reminds me of a sunscreen I used to use when I was a child. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm not sure, unless it dries down kind of matte or like skin-like, I'm not really sure. I mean, it feels pretty dewy. They said it was supposed to not leave too heavy of a finish. But feel-wise, it's definitely really lightweight. I mean, when you think of sunscreens, usually they are a little bit more heavy on the skin. This is not heavy whatsoever. This is just pretty lightweight and doesn't leave too much of a finish, but there is that little bit of moisturization, which you can see there. But hopefully that will dry down when I'm feeling it like on my hands and after I touch my face. It doesn't feel greasy, but it definitely has a little bit of moisture to it. So just keep that in mind. I'm excited to see what else I notice with this. I'm excited to see if it works for my acne prone skin. No initial sensitivity, no anything abnormal with my skin after first applying it. So I'm really hopeful for this product. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this sunscreen. Who I would really recommend it for is if you struggle with acne and you've been looking for a sunscreen that either helps combat that, or you've struggled finding a lightweight sunscreen that works for your acne prone skin. This could be a good option. If you're sensitive to salicylic acid, then definitely avoid this product. It personally didn't cause any sensitivity for me. I didn't notice any sensitivity with salicylic acid with using this and reapplying with it, so I don't feel like it is a big issue. But if you have more sensitive skin and you're worried or you experience sensitivity, then just don't reapply with this product. It is a decent sunscreen. I still love a lot of Korean options. It is very lightweight and it is a good price point as well. I noticed it to be specifically good, and I feel like who would really benefit from it is if you have acne prone skin. In the summer, my acne gets a little bit worse, and salicylic acid is a great treatment that I love to use. And with a sunscreen salicylic acid hybrid, it kind of helps you treat acne and also provides not a mattifying look to the face, but more of just a balanced look. It is a fairly lightweight sunscreen as well. If you're able to tolerate salicylic acid, then I would recommend it. However, there are so many sunscreens on the market, specifically in the Korean skincare market and also the American market, that I would recommend various different sunscreens with chemical formulations from. If you're wanting a Korean option, the Isntree Onion Fresh Fluid Sunscreen is a wonderful option that kind of has some oil control properties and acne treating properties like this. Not salicylic acid, it's a different technology, but still a great option around the same price point. In the American market, I always recommend the Bioma Ultralight Sunscreen. That's just my go-to at the moment. All are great options, and I don't feel like this product is bad at all. I could see me using it when I'm struggling really bad with acne. That's just not all the time for me. If you struggle with acne, you're looking for a sunscreen that has ingredients to treat that, and also a very lightweight formula. This also opens up the door for acne prone skin to use it, because I feel like acne prone skin is always struggling to find a sunscreen that works for your skin. This could be a great option for that. Didn't personally cause any acne, and I feel like it did help my acne some. I was struggling with a few active breakouts during this trial, and it worked great. So I would 100% recommend trying it, especially if you struggle with acne, you're oily, and you're looking for a lightweight sunscreen, or you're wanting a balancing sunscreen. I mean, it was very lightweight for an all-white sunscreen, and that's why I really did enjoy it. I just don't feel like drier skin, or if you don't struggle with acne, don't feel like this product is going to be most beneficial to you. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe, because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.